Hey guys, welcome back to DIY Built. Have you been waiting to take on your own bathroom remodel, but you're not sure where to start? Well, stick around because today we'll show you step by step how easy it is to dismantle it in no time at all. This is a small washroom with a walk-in shower, vanity, and a toilet. Today we're removing everything but the shower. Starting with the toilet first, shut off the water. If you don't have a dedicated shut-off valve below your toilet, then you'll likely have to turn off the main valve to your house. Next, you'll have to give it one last royal flush. Hold the handle down until the water in the tank goes below the flapper valve. If you have a second set of hands to help you keep it level as you haul it out, then you can leave the remaining water in the tank and what's left in the bowl. If you're by yourself, just use a sponge or a rag to soak up the remaining water. Next, locate the flange bolts that secure the toilet to the floor. Now, ours is a one-piece toilet, so they like to hide them behind these plastic caps. Undo the nuts with a small crescent wrench or a pair of pliers. Then go ahead and remove the water supply line. Now just lift the toilet straight up and carry it out. We like to place them into one of the large contractor bags so they don't drip any water that may still be in there. Final step regarding the toilet is to remove the wax seal from the floor flange. Now if your gag reflex is weak, you might want to pass this one off to someone else. We got lucky on this one as this is a new house build, very little use and not much to worry about. I usually use a piece of scrap wood to remove the seal, but a whammy bar like this will work too. Finally, stuff a rag into the flange to keep any sewer gases from coming up into the area. Next we're going to take the vanity out. It looks like the floor that we have to remove is underneath the vanity, so we'll just pop the doors off. Pull the drawers out, lighten the load of this thing. Now these are soft close drawers, easy to remove. Pull a drawer out, squeeze these in, and pull it out. Next, we want to remove the sink. First, shut off the water supply. Open the hot and cold sides of the tap to release any pressure. Now we'll go ahead and disconnect the lines. Undo the top ABS nut on the drop down from your drain and leave it loose. This is a drop-in sink, so we're going to have to go back up to the top of the countertop now. Cut the silicone around the sink using a utility knife. Now just go ahead and lift the sink straight up and out. And out she goes. Next we'll remove the countertop. This is an arborite top and 99% of the time they're screwed down to the vanity. Locate and remove all the screws. Cut the caulking on the top side and lift it off. Most vanities are screwed to the wall studs directly through the back panel. These are typically longer screws, 2.5 or even 3-inch screws. The vanity kick was pre-built, leveled, and screwed into place, and since we're reinstalling the old vanity, it's best we leave the plywood kick in place. The floor doesn't go under it. It looked like it did, but it's only under the faceplate. If this is just screwed on, then we can leave the base where it is. It's already leveled, so I don't want to mess with it. Pry it off carefully. Yeah, it's silicone. I don't mind it coming apart, but I don't want to break the miter. Okay, just glued, no nails, perfect. You can see the floor only comes up to here, so that's perfect. Before removing the baseboard, make sure to cut the caulking along the edge of the wall to prevent peeling of the paint up onto the surface of the wall. Then go ahead and pry off all the baseboard with a pry bar. Next, we need to create a transition line between rooms. You always want your transition underneath the middle of the door, so draw a line and use a multi-tool to cut the flooring. Now we can remove the flooring. Vinyl plank floors are floating floors, meaning no glue is used, so it's an easy removal by just lifting up from the middle and working your way to either side. And just like that, we're ready for floor, heat, and tile. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. DIY out.